Students, here I am discussing about the topic graphics programming in Java, and this is the last topic in this is the last topic, that is the topic of unit number 5. How we can build, how we can create the basic graphics programming, means how we can draw the line, the rectangle, the ellipse, the arc, the circles in in a graphical and how we can provide the graphical provide the graphical view, means colors and background color, foreground colors, and that is different how we can making the different type of shapes, how we can draw the any pictures uh, in Java. We can create through through the graphics, means we are talking about the graphics, how we can interact how we can interact the user, the user how we can interact the user to the our environments, that is to the program by which we can user can put the number of inputs, or put the after the given the number of inputs, the user makes shape, the user can create the shape of the different type of that is the ellipse and parabola, rectangle, circle, line, whatever else. So in this chapter we will discuss how we can create the graphics programming, how we can create the different pictures, that is draw, how we can create the draw the different shapes in Java environment. Graphics objects. So first we will discuss about the graphics objects. We will draw graphics in Java using three kinds of object. One is drawing panel. Second, graphics. Third, how we can give the colors to this particular shapes. That is drawing panel, a window. That is drawing panel means that is a panel on which you can you can see that here is a drawing panel. Drawing panel, a window on the screen, not part of Java, provided by the authors. So that is drawing panel in on which board you can draw the particular shapes, means rectangle, circle, ellipse, parabola, and square, whatever shape. Graphics, a pen to draw shapes, line on a draw, colors in by different type of colors are to be available. So any one we can choose any one color and draw the shapes. Objects, briefly, objects and entity. Here you can say the diagrams, that is an entity that contains data and behavior, data variables inside the object, behavior methods inside the object. You interact with the methods, the data is hidden in the object. So you already knew about this concept. What is the objects? Means objects means an entity that contains the data and behavior. Data means the particular data which are stored in a variables, and the behavior, that is the behavior we can we can create the behavior via the methods. And what is the behavior? Behavior means the object behavior. How we can create the object behavior, means via the creating the different methods, and through the different methods we can create the behavior of the objects. And constructing, and we can create the objects. We can create the objects through this statement, that is type object name is equal to new type parameters. Here type and that is parameters names, but there is different type of parameter to be available. That is if we are making an integers, if you are making a straight lines, if you are making a radius, if you are making a rectangle, if you are making a parabola. So the when the shape are going to be changed, the number of the inputs are to be changed according to the shape which we are creating. So, so here here in this brackets, the parameters reflects the number of the reflects the arguments which we are putting here, that is integer or float or doubles, or and how many inputs are we are passing, and what are the types of inputs we are they have, what data types they have. Calling an object's method, object name dot method parameters. How you can call the methods? You can call the methods through the objects, that is the objects, the object name dot dot method name bracket parameters through a semicolon. Through this statement you can call the methods, and the methods that are defined in a class. Drawing panel. One important point is drawing panel. Here you can say that here you can say that it is a panel. This panel is known as a drawing panel. How we can create the panel? To canvas objects that represent windows, drawing surfaces. To canvas means the particular surface on which you are creating, you are drawing the objects. Objects means the line object, means the different shapes. The object means the different shape. The panel having the different shapes means the line shape, the circle shape, the rectangle shape, the hyperbola shape, different type of shape. So how firstly these different type of shape is to be making on the board. This board is known as a drawing panel. So how we can create? The first is to create a window. Drawing panel, it is a class name, that is drawing panel. Name is an object, new. Here drawing panel means there are two parameters are to be available. Two parameters must be available here, width and height. Then here width is 300 and height is 200. Both through the different, if we change the parameters, that is 400 or 600 or 150 or 50, then the shape of the size of the drawing panel is to be changed. The window has nothing on it. We can draw shapes and lines on it using another object of the type graphics. Graphics, pen objects that can draw the lines and shapes. You better understand that in a drawing panel you can create the different shapes via the pen. So how we can create how we can draw how we can make the objects on a drawing panels. The first important, that is pen objects that can draw lines and shapes. To access it by calling get graphics on your drawing panel. Here G is a object of G is object that is belong to a graphics class. So via the get graphics method, get graphics method, you can create it and draw shapes by calling methods on the graphics objects, means fill rect, fill over. Here the two shapes here to be here, rectangle shapes and oval shapes. So you can given the parameters, that is for the rectangle 10, 30, 60, 35, and for the oval 80, 40, 50, 70. These are the parameters. So if we are giving the different parameters, that is here in both rectangle and oval, both have the four inputs. Why the four inputs? The particular shapes are to be created. That is it is a main important task here. That is by this method we can create the particular object on a drawing panel. Java class libraries import, it is the most important point. Java classes libraries, classes include with Java's JDK, organized into groups named packages. To use the packages, put on import declaration in your program. So most important thing, if you are making a graphics program in Java, then you will you will import or you are using the different classes and the different methods which are already defined in that particular package. So how you can use it? We can use it through the import keywords, import java.awt abstract window toolkit. It is a package name, and we can mention here import space java.awt semicolon. What do you mean by dot star? Means all the classes and all the classes and the interface and methods that are defined within the package. You can use it. You can use any class, you can use any interface, you can use any method through the one statements, that is import java.awt.star. It is same just like as a header file that are using in C languages. In order to use graphics, you must place the above line at the very top of the program before the public class headers. You already know that in C languages you write it, that is hash include std.h. Same is it like as if you are creating any program in graphics environment. First you can mention on the top of the notepad in starting of the when you are going to write a script, the starting of the first line will be import java dot awt star semicolon. This is the package name. The syntax, that is import package name dot star semicolon. Here the package name is awt. Coordinates system. Each xy position is a picture element. 0 is at the Windows top left corner. Means here you can say in picture you can say that 0 means Windows top left corner. That is if you are making a window, that is top left corner. If you are making a window, that is if you are making a window, that is top left corner. In this diagram, you you can say that 200 and 100, that is both are the coordinates. That is these are the coordinates, and 0 is the top left corner. 0 is the at the Windows top left corner. X increases the right word and the Y increases the downward. Y increases the downward and X increases the rightward. Means X plus means increasing and Y plus means increasing. So X plus increasing if you are increasing the that is 0 to 1, 2, 3, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 30, 40 means X increasing, means it is going to rightward. And if we are increasing the Y's value, means starting to 0, then 2, 10, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, it will going to downward sides. The rectangle from 0 to 200 looks like this. Graphics method, they are the some methods by which we can draw the pictures. Draw line, draw oval. You can see that here in the first method, you can see that there is 4 parameters, 4 inputs parameters. Draw oval, that is 4. Draw rect, that is 4. Draw string, text xy. Xy is the coordinates on which the string is to be mentioned. And draw line x1 y1 x2 y2, there is 4 parameter, 4 that is 2 coordinators, 2 coordinate must be available for drawing a line. So G is the object which belongs to graphics class. The line between the points x1 y1 comma x2 y2. For the oval shape, you can draw the oval shape via the that is x y width and height. Now outline large oval that fits in a box of size with star height of the top left at xy. Draw rectangle, that is 4 input must dimension. Outline of the rectangle of size width into height of with top left at xy. Draw string text with bottom left at xy. The fill oval xy width height. fill largest oval that fits in a box of size with, that is the set color. That is how you can put the color, that is green color, red color, gray color, what type of color you want to choose, you want to fill the particular object. That is fill rect and set rect, fill rectangle of the size, width into height. There is set graphics to paint any following shapes in the given color. Color, create one, use red, green, blue. RGB means red, green, blue. It is the standard color. Create one using red, green, blue values from 0 to 2 to 5, 255. Color name is equal to new color, red, green, blue. Example, color brown is equal to new color. Here you can say that you can draw, you can give the brown color, that is brown color, that is red, green, and blue. So in this particular statement, you can fill you can fill the particular shape with the brown color. Our use a predefined colors class constant mode, that is color dot constant name, where constant name is one of the black, blue, gray, cyan, dark gray, gray, green, light green, that is a. So you can write down, that is color dot light underscore gray, color dot magenta, color dot orange, color dot gray, color dot red, color dot pink. What type of color you want to choose to fill the particular object in a window panel, on the window panel, which object you are creating and which type of this color you want to fill this particular object. Using colors, pass a color to graphics object, set color method. Here you can set that the particular oval is, you can set the rectangle shape is, the color is to be black. So through the you can get it, why the set color method, that is color dot black, and why the color dot red. Color dot red, you can put you can fill the oval with this red color through this method set color. So G dot set color bracket, within the bracket color dot red, and G dot fill over which type of color we want to fill the object and the particular area, and you want to fill this particular area through this color, means red, blue, gray, magenta, orange, yellow. Pass a color to drawing panel, set backgrounds method. The overall window background color will change. Here you can say that the object in the above diagram, drawing panel, the object background is to be white, but in below diagram the object background color means in the drawing panel, that is the background means that is drawing panel. The color of the drawing panel is to be changed. This color is to be brown. Where the set background method, you can change the color of the drawing panel. That is set through the set background method. You can change the you can change the color of the drawing panels. Outline shapes, you can here you can, that is to draw a colored shape with an outline, first fill it, then draw the same shape in the outline corner. So firstly you can create, you know that is firstly one by one, you can create the drawing panel, then after you can create the shape, then after you can fill the color, then after you can draw a that is you can highlight the lines, that is highlight the lines, that is dark black, or here that is you can what do you mean by dark black? Means that is color, you set the color, and that is color is to be black. To draw a colored shape with an outline, first fill it, then draw the same shape in the outline color. Through this, there is for creating for making this type of program, firstly you can write the import java.awt.star. So we can use it here. Then in the within the main method we can using the panel, and then the after when you will creating the panels, and then you can, after that you can uh, 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 inner red fill and blackout inner red fill. What will be the color you want to, what type of color you want to choose to fill the particular objects. It is set ground, foreground, and background, and foreground, and what will be the color you want to choose. You want to fill the drawing panel, how you can highlight the straight lines or outer lines of the particular object. That is different methods. That is this type of method you can use to outline the same. Drawing with loops. The x, y, w, h expressions can use the loop counter variables. Drawing panel, that is here you can in this diagram you can here, that is drawing with the loops. So you can here understand that in particular through this drawing panel, multiple number of objects are to be created through the that is each and every shapes are to be over here in this diagram. Each and every object is to be overlapped here. The x, y, w, h expression can use the loop counter variables. Drawing panel means multiple number of shapes are to be created through this particular for loop, and multiple number of shapes to be created, and these type of same type of shapes are to be created through the loops. So it is a easy way how you can create a multiple number of objects, different 10 or 15 or 16 number of same objects. You can in this scenario you can choose it each and every or every object with the different colors, or with the same colors. So the nested loops are here is okay. You can create a create a number of strings with a specified with a different coordinates through this method, that is using the loops. Drawing, you can use the for loop, while loop, do while loop, and through this looping concept, for this repeated looping concept, you can draw the same objects with different parameters, with different input values. Here you can say that is 100 plus 20 star I, when I is equal to 1, that is means 100 plus 20 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126. That is different parameters, different input values are to be present here to creating the shape. Loops that begin at 0. Beginning at 0 and using less than, you can make coordinates easier. Example, draw 10 stacks rectangles starting at 20, 20, height 10, which is starting at 100. That is, you in this drawing panel you can say that different type of rectangle are to be created through this through the loop concept. That is here you can say that in this diagram that is one rectangle, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is different type rectangular to be here. How we can draw it? Through the loop. Beginning at 0 and using less, can make coordinate easier. That is through the drawing panel. You can here you can say that is I is equal to 0 and I less than 10, 20, 20, 20 plus 10 into I. Then for I is equal to 0, that is starting value is 20. Then 20 I value 1 into 10, that is 10 plus 20, 30, 2, 20 plus 20 40 means the 20 coordinate is 20 20 and 20 20 20 and 90 90 90 into I, that is the parameter is to be changed. Main concept is the values, the input numbers are to be changed, starting from the 0 0 means starting from the 0 0. So, beginning at 0 and using less can make coordinates easier. That is the drawing panel. That is drawing panel. Firstly, you draw the panel through this statement. Drawing panel 160 160. That is 160 by 160. You can draw this panel, particular panel, and after the panel, you can draw the different rectangles through this method. Drawing. Here you can say that coord with previous slides, drawing panel, new drawing panel 160, that is in previous the shape is to be different here. You can draw the particular shape, all the rectangles in this particular side, or if you can draw the particular shape in this side, or all the different type of rectangles in this shape through the code from previous, and that is you can draw it. Write variations of the above program that draw the figures at the right as output. You can draw the different rectangles, multiple number of rectangles through in this shape or the in this shape or the in this shape. That is, you can draw it. Yeah, that is. So here you can see that the solution 1, solution 2. Why this solution means this. Here you can say that this is to be different. Only this is to be different. Why this behind the shape, behind the creating the shape, only this logic is to be handled. How we can, what type of input we are putting here to for creating that particular shape. That is 20 plus 10 star I, here 110 minus 10 star I, 20 plus, the same is to be same, but that is here is this is the different, this is the different, that is here is different, means the what type of input we are putting in the draw rectangle method, by which we can we can create the number of rectangles within a drawing panel. So this is the main important aspect in the, it is very easy. By this method we can draw the different rectangles, multiple number of rectangles, and all these rectangles are connected to each other. That is by this superimposing shapes. Here you can say that is shapes occupy the same pixel and last drawings. That is, you are creating the you are creating a car. You are creating a car in this diagram. Simple program here. That is making the drawing panel, then rectangles, and what in this particular programming, what the coordinates that are using. What type of coordinates that are what type of inputs or coordinates which is you are using for to creating the car, for making a car. That is circle. What will be the circle coordinates? Here you can set that what will be that is a rectangle, and what will be the shape of the rectangle, what will be the shape, what will be the coordinates of this circle, what will be the color, black color. Here you are putting the black color and red color, and it is very easy. If you are if you having the concepts, and if you having the simple methods, it is a simple method how we can draw the different shape. Then you can create the an image of car or truck or a cycle or of a man with this type of with this type of with using the different type of methods, and you can set the background method. drawing with methods. To draw multiple methods, you may pass graphics G, that is you can say that here you can use this type of that is light gray. You can draw the core methods here, color dot black, color dot red, color dot cyan, and set fill and fill red. Both are the two method that we can use. We can use this particular method through the graphics object parameterize that's the students in this picture. You can say that you can shape the different shapes, that is polygon. Here you can say that the polygon and rectangles, polygons, shape, hyperbola, ellipse, and straight line. You can create a multiple number of different shapes through this methods, and you can put the different colors, highlight the particular lines, and you can already uh, via the different methods, through the different methods and different type of interfaces and classes, you can which those are already mentioned in AWT package, Abstract Window Toolkit package. And you can when you are creating the package, when you are creating the program in graphics for the graphics, firstly you include the package, that is AWT, and creating the object, that is Z and G, and draw the drawing create the drawing panel, and creating the and making the shapes, fill the shape, outline it, and setting the some specific coordinates for creating the particular shapes. Okay, thank you students. These are the basic concepts behind the Java graphics programming in Java.